Hello friends. Sparkles, today I have a brand new video on the kitchen and home review channel, and the topic is really amazing. Home cleaning vacuum cleaner. This amazing vacuum cleaner instantly swallows dust, dirt, and invisible particles from every corner of the house, which makes the house sparkling and fresh. Its powerful suction, smart design, and easy use will give you a cleaning experience that you have never had before. So watch the video until the end. And of course, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to click on the bell icon, because more great reviews are coming just for you. Let's get started. Shark Power Pro Reveal Plus Cordless Vacuum. Ever feel like keeping your home spotless is a never-ending battle? Imagine a vacuum that knows exactly where the mess is and cleans it up in a flash. Meet the Shark Power Pro Reveal Plus. Not just cordless, it comes with Floor Detect and Dirt Reveal technology, making sure you never miss a single speck of dirt. Seeing the dust before you clean it makes the whole process effortless. This vacuum reveals even the hidden dirt your eyes usually miss, keeping every corner of your home pristine. With its HEPA filter, it doesn't just clean the floors, it purifies your air too. Whether it's carpet or hard floor, this vacuum ensures a deep, thorough clean. And the best part, it's rechargeable and cordless. One charge is enough to clean your entire home, with complete freedom to move around without restrictions. If you want a spotless, healthy, and dust-free home, the Shark Power Pro Reveal Plus could be your new best friend. Nautilus Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Do you want your home spotless, with no pet hair or dust left behind? I've personally tested the Nautilus Cordless Vacuum Cleaner 2025 new 580W 48 kilopascals across different floors, carpets, and rooms, and it's truly powerful and effective. With a 65-minute long battery life and rechargeable design, you can clean your entire home on a single charge. The anti-tangle technology ensures hair and debris won't get stuck or tangled. Its lightweight, self-standing design allows you to reach under sofas, around tables, and into narrow spaces effortlessly. It works equally well on hard floors, carpets, and pet hair. If you want fast, powerful, and multifunctional cleaning, try the Nautilus Cordless Vacuum once. You'll see your home looking completely refreshed. Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner LVAC 200. Is your home constantly battling dust and pet hair? The Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner LVAC 200 is here to make that a thing of the past. Lightweight, cordless, yet incredibly powerful, it transforms cleaning into a quick and effortless task. With up to 50 minutes of battery life, you can clean your entire home on a single charge. The tangle-resistant design ensures that hair and debris never get stuck, keeping your vacuum running smoothly. Whether it's carpet or hard floors, it tackles every corner, picking up dust, dirt, and pet hair efficiently. Its ergonomic handle and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. From pet hair to everyday dust, this vacuum handles it all in seconds. Once you try it, you'll realize that keeping your home spotless has never been easier. The Levoit LVAC 200 could truly become your new best friend for a clean and fresh home. Eureka Power Speed Vacuum Cleaner. Have you ever imagined cleaning your home could be this effortless? Let me introduce you to the Eureka Power Speed, a lightweight yet incredibly powerful upright vacuum cleaner. Whether it's carpet or hard floors, it tackles every speck of dust and dirt in seconds. Especially for pet owners, the Pet Turbo technology ensures not a single hair or particle is left behind. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around the house, while the strong motor cleans even the toughest corners. You'll notice your home looking spotless in no time. And the best part, its black and yellow design isn't just functional. It looks stylish too, fitting perfectly into any home decor. With the Eureka Power Speed, cleaning becomes effortless, saving both time and energy. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Do you want your home spotless, with every corner perfectly clean, and all without the hassle of cords? I've personally tested the Cordless Vacuum Cleaner 500W/40 kPa for home, and it truly delivers impressive results. With a 60-minute long battery life and wall mount charging, you can clean your entire home on a single charge. The LED display keeps you informed about battery life and cleaning modes, so control is always at your fingertips. Its 8-in-1 functionality means it works perfectly on hard floors, carpets, pet hair, and tight corners alike. Anti-tangle technology ensures hair and debris are removed effortlessly. The lightweight design and stick form factor allow you to reach under sofas, around tables, and into narrow spaces with ease. If you want hassle-free, powerful, and multifunctional cleaning, try it once. You'll see your home looking completely refreshed. Bissell CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum. Do you want every corner of your home to be spotless, quickly and without hassle? I've tested the Bissell CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum on different floors and rooms, and trust me, it's small but incredibly powerful, a machine that truly knows its job. Even with its compact size, the suction is strong enough to pull up crumbs, hidden dust and cracks, and stubborn pet hair, making cleaning feel effortless. The handle is light and easy to maneuver, so reaching under the sofa, around the bed, or into tight corners doesn't take extra effort. And emptying the dustbin? Super simple, no bags, no mess. For anyone who wants quick results, cares about budget, but refuses to compromise on quality, this vacuum strikes the perfect balance. Try it once, and you'll immediately save time, enjoy a cleaner home, and wonder why you didn't get it sooner. Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum. The Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum with quick-release wand is a small but powerful vacuum I've personally tested across different rooms and floors, and the results are outstanding. Its turbo suction easily pulls up pet hair, deep carpet dirt, and even sticky debris, leaving everything truly clean from the inside out. With the quick-release wand in hand, reaching stairs, under the sofa, or even car seats becomes effortless. No need for extra attachments to tackle those tight spaces. The handle is lightweight, the wheels glide smoothly, and moving it around the house feels effortless while saving valuable time. The bagless dustbin is simple to empty. Amazon Basics Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner. Do you want your home to look brand new in less than a minute? I've tested the Amazon Basics Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner for carpet and hard floors, and honestly, once you start using it, both your time and your stress level drop instantly. The best part is, it's bagless, which means no messy hassle. Emptying the dustbin is super easy. Whether it's carpets or hard floors, the powerful suction picks up dirt, pet hair, and hidden crumbs so well that you'll be surprised yourself. The handle and wheels make maneuvering so light and smooth that you can reach every corner without effort. And the price point? Totally worth it for the performance it delivers. If you want fast, flawless, and hassle-free cleaning, try this vacuum once. You won't believe it until you see it in action. Nautilus Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Keeping your home spotless can feel like a never-ending task. That's where the Nautilus Cordless Vacuum Cleaner comes in. Lightweight, cordless, and powerful, this vacuum makes dust and dirt disappear in an instant. With a 580W motor and 48 kilopascal suction, it cleans every corner of your carpets and hard floors effortlessly. The 65-minute-long battery life gives you the freedom to clean your entire home on a single charge. Pet hair and tangled debris are never a problem thanks to anti-tangle technology, ensuring smooth cleaning without interruptions. Plus, its self-standing design makes it easy to store and ready to use anytime. Ergonomic and lightweight, it maneuvers effortlessly around furniture and reaches even the trickiest corners. Once you try it, you'll realize cleaning your home has never been this fast, easy, and satisfying.